So this is the startup page for the Android box. As you can see, there's quite a few tiled options here. If we go in here and have a look at the apps you've got all sorts in here. You've got Gmail, Google, Maps, Chrome browser, music player, picture player, YouTube, and XBMC, which I'll come to in a second. Aptoid is similar to the Apple App Store. It gives you access to a marketplace where you can download free apps. So if we come out of this folder, scroll along and have a look at the games folder. Any games that you download from the Aptoid App Store will appear in here. Currently there's Angry Birds, which comes already installed. Next up is the video chat screen. You can plug in a USB webcam and use Skype from this window. Moving along, you've got the settings box. Now in here you can control all the settings for the box. So you've got Bluetooth, Ethernet, you've got your display, apps, sound, etc. Data usage is very clever. It tells you what storage your apps are using, so how much of the disk space the apps are using. Next, if we have a look at the internet browsing capabilities, as you can see there's lots of shortcuts already on here. If we choose Wikipedia, just choose to browse it using Chrome. See, just like using it on a PC. Have a look at Google. Again, looks exactly like it does on a PC. And let's have a look at eBay. You can browse using a keyboard or a remote control on this. It's quite fun having it on the big screen in your living room. This folder here shows local content. So if you were to plug in a USB drive or something like that, you'd be able to use this folder to play the music or videos or look at the files. Lastly, we have the online cinema folder. In here you'll have icons for YouTube, XBMC and Netflix. Now XBMC is what we really want to have a look at here. XBMC is an incredible media center. It basically allows you to watch online TV shows and online held movies from various server locations around the world, pretty much all for free. As you can see here, this is the home page. Underneath the video section you have 7 shortcuts. These are what we find to be the best shortcuts to get onto online content such as ICE Films, One Channel, NFL, Red Bull TV, 4 on Demand, etc. You can practically watch any sort of TV show that's ever been made by clicking on one channel, for instance. Looking at TV shows, A to Z, and then searching for it by scrolling down through the many TV shows it has linked. These will then stream to your machine. They don't actually download anything, they stream over the internet, usually in HD content. So there's lots of add-ons in here already for you, so you can have a browse through and find your favourite show or your favourite movie. Coming out of here, you can see files and playlists. Clicking on files allows you to add an external source for watching movies. If you have a PC at home that's connected on the network, you can use this function for adding that PC to here, so you've got a shortcut. I'll show you how to do this in a later video. Coming out of videos, if we scroll across to the right, you've got the title for music. Similar thing, you can get add-ons for music, so you can listen to music streaming down from the internet as well. And you've got programs. This has software items in your XBMC, such as XBMC Backup. You can use this to back your system up and then restore it. I'll show you how to use that in another video. It also comes pre-configured with the XBMC Hub maintenance add-on. This is invaluable for self-help and being your own IT department. In here you've got how-to videos which show you how to do certain things. As you can see how to update a repository, a URL installer, you've got hub maintenance, how-tos, hub music, how-tos. Basically lots of small videos showing you how to do things on your XBMC. You've got maintenance as well. So you can click any one of these and it will run a file which will automatically do what's stated in the title, such as delete my cache, which will remove your local cache and wipe it clean. These tweaks are also cool little scripts that certain developers have made to improve the performance and change the way that your XBMC works, like this 7 icons tweak, which allows you to have 7 icons on your home screen. This has already been done on your box, as the default is 5, but we've already done that for you. So you've got these developer tools, you've also got other things like Fusion Install if you need to reload that, and you also got help as well. Really good add-on to have, the XBMC maintenance tool. Lastly, you've got the system settings, which allows you to change the settings for XBMC only, not your actual Android box. So appearance, video, live TV, etc., changing your add-ons, services and system can all be done from this screen here. Going back to video add-ons, if you want to add your own add-ons or out of the hundreds that are available, if you click on add-ons, scroll to the bottom and then click Get More, you'll be met with a list of loads and loads of more add-ons, which are all fairly similar but all have their own unique properties. Scroll through them and have a look and see if there's any you want to add. They're all in alphabetical order and they're very easy to install once you find one that you like. For instance, you just double click on it or click it once if you're using the remote and then click on Install. This will then install it and it will be visible in your normal add-on screen under Videos. This concludes the Android and XBMC walkthrough. Check out droidplayer.co.uk for other instructional videos and product information.